Alright, so I got this light cure acrylic repair kit. I got a small pit right here. I don't know if you can see this in my granite. It's time to replace these counters, but until I do, I'm just going to patch this little hole up. So they give you this little repair kit with a UV light. So you clean this out with alcohol swab, get that all nice and clean, which I've done already. Then you just come in here and you fill this in. Slowly fill that in. Fill it in. Just enough to make it level, you know. You don't want to put too much, because then you'll have a raised surface, so not just enough. Then you come in here with this strip that they give you. They give you a strip. And take this strip, put it over the surface like so. Alright. It's pretty level, pretty flush. You take this UV light and you hold it over here. So I'm going to hold this for 2 or 3 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes. So now, just going to peel this off. I got a little bit more I should put in there. Just going to put this hole right here. Just fill that in just a little bit. A little bit. And then I'm going to take the other side of this, put it on there. I should fill that hole in. So yeah, it's just that easy. You just clean it out with your swab, right? Your alcohol swab. Clean it out really good. Clean the surface, clean it out with alcohol, let it dry. And then just use your stick to push down on it. Get it nice and even. Take your finger, hold it. And then just use this black light to dry it, whatever UV light it is. Again, this kit's made by, I don't know, they sent it to me, I don't know, HIMG, I don't know, surface repair, HIMG. HIMG! It fixes chips, nicks, deep scratches, quartz, granite, tile, marble, porcelain, and more. Okay. It's a clear repair kit. So, yeah. It's pretty simple. There's supposed to be a stand that's in here. I don't know where it's at. I guess you cut a hole in the box or something. I guess you can cut a hole in it and just stick it in there and let it set over the repair. But I'm just holding it for now. So this is just for small little nicks on your countertops. Like I said, all these counters are getting ripped out here in about a year or so. But in the meantime, I'm just going to patch it up. And yeah, until we get the countertops replaced. I'm just going to fix this. I got a couple of the small ones I'm going to fix too as well. For the most part, looks pretty good. Just let it dry. Just let it dry. I pulled the plastic off right here. Oh man. I pulled the plastic off. And then it's pretty smooth now. They give you 2000 grit sandpaper. You can hit it with if you want to. You want to polish it up. But I'm going to let that cure. I'm just going to let it harden. And that's good for now. Like I said, I had a couple other nicks here. I used super glue with activator. Same process. I used a piece of plastic, put over it. I put some super glue in there and then activated it and just sanded it down. These counters are old though. I mean, they're like 14 years old, so it's time. Time to replace them all. But yeah, this is the repair kit. They sent it to me, so I just thought I'd try it out. And I recommend it. If you have small chips or nicks in your countertops, stuff works, man. Works. All right. You guys have any questions or comments or concerns, let me know. But as far as I'm concerned, man, this stuff works. Works good. Like I said, you can sand this down. You want to sand it down with this. If the area is raised, you come in and sand it with this. And I think this is I don't know what grit is that. It tells you what grit it is. 220. Hit it with 220. If you got a raised surface, then come back with a 2000 and you can polish it. And this is clear. I believe they have different colors. So again, head over there to HIMG Surface Repair. It's just HIMG. HIMG, I don't know. HIMG, whatever. HIMG Surface Repair Kit. They sent it over to me. It's light cure acrylic repair kit. So, like I said, fixes chips, nicks, deep scratches. I mean, obviously you got a chunk taken off a corner or something. It's not going to fix that. But if you got small nicks or chips or anything like that in your countertops, I recommend it. It works. It works. So this is a pretty small repair. It's all dried up now. Just let that set and cure, and that's it. Bada bing. Yeah, I like it. I'll probably hit it with some of that polish, and that's pretty much it, man. So yeah, you want to fix your countertops if you have any chips, nicks, deep scratches in the quartz, granite, tile, marble, porcelain. Works on all that stuff. It's clear, light cure acrylic repair kit. So yeah, I recommend it. Like I said, these counters are going to get ripped out here in the near future, but for now, I'm just repairing them until we do it. All right. Thanks for watching.